make your own app store? Well, this video is just for you. In this video, I will tell the full breakdown of how to make an app store. Even if you have no coding experience, this video will guarantee you an app store. So, let's start the breakdown. So when you create the App Store, you of course first need a game. And I have taken inspiration from the real App Store. You can do whatever you want, but first you have to label which game it is, like Flappy Bird and some other stats if you'd like to make it more clear. And then you also need the very important icon of the game. That is very important since it helps viewers know what the game is without knowing the title. So you have to do that. Then, if you want, you can also add a profile system like this. And when you click it, there is a menu that opens up, and that will display your username, exam leave this gmail.com. And if you want to add about settings and offers, you can also add it. And then is the game UI. So when you click the game, you need to have some basic things like in the App Store. You must have, like in your App Store, you must have the reviews given, the rating given, how many downloads it has, and what age it is rated for. And of course you need to have an install button. That is the most important part of a game. And then you can also make a cropped picture of the game that will help the viewers know what that is. And since there is no way to return to the main menu, means the home page, you have to make this App Store icon, which when you click returns you to the main menu. And and one app will not do. You cannot call one app an app store. So you will also need to have a second app. That's what I have added. And see, I it has all the basic features that I've told you before. Now the install feature should not have bugs. Like there was this bug when you clicked it, it reset, and that should not happen. I will tell about it, how to fix it another time. But if you do not want to get much into coding, I suggest you first make a clicker game, which is the easiest. And then you need to have an exit button which brings you back to the main menu. If you want to do, you can also add a play button. Its feature is kinda a little complicated, so I am not going to get to it right now. and and so you in the clicker game, you have to add a shop, clicks, auto clicker, and multiplier. You can also add a gimmick which is special to your clicker, like I added chance to get bonus, in which when you click there's a 1 in 10 chance to get a bonus prize which multiplies your click by 5, and you can increase it by buying the lucky charm upgrade. And so that's it for this episode of how to make an app store in scratch. Shout out time. So today's shout out is Sandhya S. Thanks to Sandhya S for giving me the video idea.